this is it, the finale of beginner level 2. You made it that far. We're going to review everything that we've learned in this level. Remember, in the actual class, the instructor may throw in things from the previous levels just to put it together in patterns. It's not going to be exactly that pattern, but here for the video, we're just reviewing what we've learned in beginner level 2 salsa. All right, so we're going to start with what we did the previous video, which is the forward slide, backward slide. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic step. We're going to do the single and chufla, 3 switch places, followed by the double and chufla. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Copas and single hand copa, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to do a basic step, double hand copa, 6, 7, 2, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3. We're going to do the outside crossbody lead with a hand toss, inside turn, followed by hair comb and crossbody lead, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, and then we're going to do the double Suzy Q. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and we start from the top. So this is a lot to remember, but we're going to call the moves as we do it with music, and we just invite you to come with us or practice these moves in a different variation that you can come up with on your own. At this point, you have plenty of moves to go out and practice your moves in a social dance environment. All right, let's do it with music. 5, 6, basic step. 1, 2, 3, forward slide, backward slide. Basic, single and chufla. Switch places, double and chufla. 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, catch the back. 1, single hand copa. Double hand copa. Prep. 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Outside crossbody lead with an inside turn for the lady. Hair comb, crossbody lead, and double Suzy. From the top. 6, 7, 1, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, and chufla. Double and chufla. Copas, single hand copa. Prepare for double hand copa. 1, 5, 6, 7, basic step, crossbody lead with toss, and inside turn, crossbody lead, and a double Suzy. And that's it. All right, everyone, thank you so much for sticking with us. You have completed absolute beginner, beginner level 1, and beginner level 2. That's a lot of material already. And now we expect to see you out in the social dance club. All right, so if you need more information about our classes, as usual, visit our website at www.salsawithsilvia.com. This is Mario. I'm Sylvia. We'll see you again next time.